The NOCO Genius GEN5X3 Charger is a 3-bank onboard battery charger designed to charge multiple batteries simultaneously, commonly used in boats and marine setups. If the third charging bank becomes non-responsive, it usually indicates a wiring issue, poor battery connection, fuse interruption, or the charger detecting an abnormal battery condition. Fortunately, most bank-related problems can be resolved by inspecting the wiring, checking battery voltage, and resetting the charger. With a few careful checks, you can restore normal charging operation without replacing the unit. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the charger from AC power and inspect the third bank's battery cables for loose or corroded connections. Step 2. Check the battery connected to bank 3 to ensure it has sufficient voltage and is not completely discharged or damaged. Step 3. Inspect the inline fuse or wiring harness for bank 3 and replace any blown fuse if necessary. Step 4. Reconnect the battery lead securely and restore AC power to the charger to allow it to reinitialize the charging banks. Step 5. Observe the bank 3 indicator lights to confirm it begins charging normally again.